Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you some expert tips on crypto trading for beginners. Whether you're new to the world of crypto or just looking to brush up on your skills, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Tip number 1, understand the basics of crypto trading. The first thing you need to do is understand the basics of crypto trading. This includes understanding the different types of cryptocurrencies, the various trading strategies, and the risks involved. It's important to do your research and understand the market before making any trades. Tip number 2, choose the right exchange. The next step is to choose the right exchange to trade on. There are many different exchanges out there, each with their own fees, security measures, and user interfaces. Some of the most popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Make sure to choose an exchange that suits your needs and trading style. Tip number 3, develop a trading strategy. Once you've chosen your exchange, it's time to develop a trading strategy. This can involve setting a target price for buying and selling, using technical analysis to identify trends, and diversifying your portfolio to reduce risk. Whatever strategy you choose, make sure to stick to it and avoid making emotional decisions. Tip number 4, stay up to date with the market. Crypto trading is a fast-paced industry, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest market trends and news. This can involve following social media accounts of industry experts, reading crypto news websites, and attending industry events. By staying informed, you can make more informed trading decisions. The best crypto trading books to read for beginners, and finally, for those of you who want to dive deeper into the world of crypto trading, I highly recommend reading some books on the subject. Some of the best crypto trading books for beginners include The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, The Crypto Trader by Glenn Goodman, and The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. These books can provide you with valuable insights and strategies to help you become a successful crypto trader. So there you have it, my top tips for crypto trading for beginners. Remember, it's important to do your research, choose the right exchange, develop a trading strategy, and stay up to date with the market. And for those of you who want to take your skills to the next level, don't forget to check out some of the best crypto trading books out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.